In primetime news this evening, 2 double murders, 2 dead at St. Andrew gas station, and 2 more killed in a taxi in St. Mary. Corporate area housing, we explore development concern in a special TVJ report. And later, witness details police officers' involvement in the One Don gang's illegal gun transactions.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onesportmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Thank you so much for joining us. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before all that, here is our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the resignation of Ruel Reid as principal of Jamaica College? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet at televisionjam1. Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.